Hey there, video enthusiasts. Ever wondered how to sprinkle a little voiceover magic into your Canva creations without spending a dime? Well, wonder no more. I'm here to show you a super easy way to add voiceovers to your Canva creations, and you can do it all for free. Curious? Let's get started. Alright, so now you can see I'm inside Canva, and in order to make my recording, first of all, I'm going to have to choose a video type. So you could make an upright video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, but instead, I'm going to choose the horizontal YouTube video button here. I'll click on that, and it will open up a brand new blank window. So you can see it there. Then once I've got this open, what I need to do is load my example video in here. I've already made one for this tutorial, so I'm just going to add in here really fast. Okay, so this is the test video I'm using. It's just a little over a minute long, which is way longer than I need, but overall it's a pretty short video, so we'll make it work. So, what I'm going to do next, I need to add in some notes, so that when I'm reading what I want to say in my voiceover, I can have all my information here, and be able to see it easy enough so that I won't forget what I'm going to say. If you've never used it before, there is a really good function inside Canva, and I use it quite a lot. It's called Notes. Come down here at the bottom of the page and click on this little button area that says Notes, and it'll open up a little note window for this particular image. Cool, right? So then you can come in here and you can type any little notes you want about this image or whatever and add them. It's a great function that not many people know about or use, and it's a great place to leave yourself notes. As you can see, I've added a little information to read over my video, and this step is completely optional, but this does make it a lot simpler. But now that we have our notes added in here, you could call it your script if you wanted to, and we've got our video added here, it's time to go to the next step. So the next thing we need to do is set up our microphone inside Canva so that we can actually record our voiceover. If you've already done this, you can skip this, but if you've never done this before, you'll need to go to Uploads, click on Record Yourself, and then you can see my notes that I'm going to be reading. Next, do not choose your camera, but choose to use your headset. I've got mine loaded right there, so I'll click on that, and then once I'm ready, I'll hit record. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit record, then it'll give you a little countdown, and then you can start reading. I absolutely love going to the beach, the sound of the waves, the warmth of the skin, and see, I messed up already, so let's do it again. So we'll delete that one. See, it's good that you saw that mistake. So let's try it one more time since it's easy to do it. So hit record. Here's the countdown. I absolutely love going to the beach. The sound of the waves, the warmth of the sun on my skin, and the feeling of sand between my toes are all so calming and rejuvenating. It's my perfect escape where I can just relax, enjoy the beauty of nature, and feel completely at peace. Okay, we're done. So let's save and exit. Canva will load the recording into your Uploads area. So if you click here, you could listen to it all, but since this example is roughly 23 seconds, I'm going to shorten my video length to make it somewhere right in there. Now, it's not quite so long, so we're going to take the recording and add it right around here. Not right at the beginning, but close. Go to Uploads and click, and there's our audio recording we just made. So you can change this up a bit. You can right-click on it and change the volume. If you need to, you can make it louder or softer. I'm just going to leave it at 100 for now. If you needed to make any changes, you can split it in more. But for now, I think I've got everything ready to go, so I'm going to leave it as is. If you wanted to listen to it, you could come back to the beginning and just click play right here. But for now, I'm not going to worry. I'm going to keep it as is, and now I'll download it. So, go to File and click Download. Leave it on MP4. You can change the quality if you're using the paid plan, but I'm going to leave it as is right now, so I can make this for free. Then hit download, and Canva will download your video along with the recording that you just made. Now you can see it's downloading. Once it's through, you will be able to upload it to your social media, your website, your YouTube channel, or wherever you need to put it. Now you can see my recordings done, and that's how you do it. So, if you want to come in here and make voice narrations recordings of your own, now you know how. Not everyone wants to record their own voice for their videos, and that's okay. But recording your own voice for a video inside Canva does offer you several advantages, such as your own voice adds a personal, authentic touch to your videos and helps build a connection with your audience. By recording your own voice, you control the tone, emphasis, and clarity of the message. Recording your own voice eliminates the need for hiring voiceover artists or paying for software like 11 Labs. If you need to make changes or updates to your video, you can quickly re-record your voiceover to reflect those changes. A really nice voiceover can enhance the overall viewer experience. And now, drumroll, please. Check out the stunning final result of my newly animated video.
I absolutely love going to the beach. The sound of the waves, the warmth of the sun on my skin, and the feeling of sand between my toes are also calming and rejuvenating. It's my perfect escape, where I can just relax, enjoy the beauty of nature, and feel completely at peace.
Lastly, I forgot to show you about this. As you're recording, this circle area here is actually your recording. As long as you've added your sound underneath your video, as I showed you in the tutorial, like you normally do when adding audio to videos in Canva, then you don't need this extra recording. Listen for yourself. If you still had that little circle recording on here, and you're recording at the bottom, you would hear duplicate recordings. You don't want that. So, if this happens to you, I would just take that little circle recording and delete the whole thing. That way, when you play it back, you're just going to hear one voice. And that should correct any duplicate recording problems you might have. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.